Today we're going to talk about interest rates and why they keep dropping. In fact, rates are down 37 basis points since the beginning of the year. In the past week, we have seen the Fed's latest inflation measurement, personal consumption expenditures, drop to 1.4% year over year. We've seen non-farm payrolls come in below expectations, and the unemployment rate actually went up in August. Durable goods orders for July were down again. North Korea is continuing to threaten the United States. Hurricane Harvey has caused severe damage in Houston, and now Hurricane Irma at the moment is headed towards Florida. When you add it all up, we now see the 10-year below the 2.1 to 2.4% range and now trades at 2.07%. If this continues, it's possible the 10-year is headed to 1.8%. Take a look at the chart on your screen. This is the 10-year Treasury for the last year and a half. As you can see, the 10-year is below the 2.1% floor, and if it holds below this key level, we could see it establish a new range below 2%. Now, what has the Fed said about everything going on around the world and the impact to their interest rate policy? Dallas President Robert Kaplan said he'd like to wait and see how inflation plays out. Minneapolis President Neel Kashkari said previous rate increases may be harming the economy. And finally, Fed Governor Lael Brainerd said the Fed should move slower on rate hikes, waiting for inflation to run above 2%. So it looks like the Fed will be on hold for the remainder of the year, but there is still a real possibility that they start to unwind the balance sheet. If, however, Hurricane Irma makes significant landfall in the US, then all bets are off. In the coming weeks, you should keep an eye on the following items. I've mentioned it before, but Hurricane Irma, along with the situation with North Korea, inflation data next week via CPI and PPI, and anything out of Washington, D.C., such as tax reform, the debt ceiling, and other legislative moves. If you'd like a more in-depth analysis, please visit our blog. Thanks for watching and have a great day.